What's up, guys? So right here we have our newest project. This is a 1966 Ford F100. This one's in just for some light mechanical refresh. We just picked it up from the customer, and so now Pat and I just went through yesterday and kind of made a list of some of the stuff that we need to do. So like, what are some of the things that we're going to be doing to it? Doing brakes all the way around, going through, rebuilding the carburetor, fuel pump, that kind of stuff, making the thing run and be roadworthy. Yep, it's been a little while since it's been on the road, so we're just going to do all the basics to it to just get it to where it can run and drive. Still looking the same, but reliable for the customer. All right, so right now, the first thing that we're going to work on is we're going to pull the motor. We kind of went back and forth on if we should do it or not, but we're already going to totally rewire the whole truck and give it a new wiring harness. So we figured that it'd be pretty easy with how big the area is. Just pull the motor. We're not going to do anything other than just some simple gaskets like an intake gasket and valve cover gaskets, but that way we'll be able to pressure wash it off, give it some fresh paint, and go through everything a little bit easier. So, all right, so we've got mostly everything disconnected. I just pulled out the vinyl flooring, and right now I'm taking off this shifter tunnel right here, so that way we'll have extra clearance for when the transmission and engine come out. So we got the motor and transmission all pulled out yesterday. It's a little bit of a chore. Most of the time you're supposed to pull the transmission and the engine separately, but luckily there was just a little enough fluid in there. We pulled the top off so we could clear it to get it out of the tunnel. So right now what I'm going to work on is going to start to clean all of this old wiring and everything else that we can get out of the way. We're going to end up completely rewiring the truck, so I'm going to clean out the whole engine bay so that way we can pressure wash and clean everything inside of here.
Yeah,
Wait, what happened?
Oh, we lost our shop kid.
Yeah.
It's time for a new shop kid.
What happened?
Looking for a young kid who wants to make 15 bucks an hour and work on old cars. Sandblaster, grease scrubber, sweeper.
That's the deal?
Yep.
I am working on my own stuff.
Well, you're just sitting here watching me critiquing, like, I wouldn't do it like that.
Don't really think I said that like that. I wouldn't do it like that. Sound like Eeyore.
Oh, bother. Alright, so part of cleaning the engine, we're going to go ahead and take this bell housing off so we can clean it separately. And we want to take a look at the clutch and everything and make sure that everything is good with that and it doesn't need any replacing. Need an extension.
The transmission was built about a month before the engine.
Really?
Yep. this is all loose.
I'm gonna pop it here. There it goes. I guess it's not.
Yeah, it's not gonna just fall off it will be heavy, mind you. And it will just all of a sudden just let go, so don't have your fingers on the bottom side of it.
Like this?
Yeah.
Dude, that would hurt with these.
Yes, 100%.
There it goes.
So 11-inch clutch. Yeah, that definitely needs resurfaced. And it's